Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in this tutorial is going to be about big site and I'm going to show you how you can add different social media icons in your social bar. So let's say you always use like most of the times we use social bar for users to contact or to reach out to us through different social media platforms like Facebook and all. So you always put social bar or social media bar in the upper section in the website. So most of the times we will also put it on footer. So here I am added in the footer. So I am going to add or will replace these icons with the different style. So let's see. This is the Facebook one. We change it to different one, and we will change all of the icons to the same pattern or the same color. So we'll add this one. It's nothing different than the other, the previous one. Instead, it's just that we have added your one with the layout, proper layout. It's pretty much easy. We just need to search for a particular social media icon and just need to replace it. That's it. Right. What's happening is sorry for this and the last but not least Twitter. So it's done. Heading. Just click on done. You can also rearrange this according to what you want. So as you can see, changes have been made. You can also give the size. It's too much. Like let's 20. So add a spacing. 50 is the last. One is minimum. One critical example. You can also pin this. I will show you. On many of sites you might unsee this. You can pin in this system. You can pin it here as well as here. Here it seems okay. But for this you need to like add a proper color and proper set of icons with the proper background because it depends on what color theme you are using or what color palette you are using. Right, right now, as you can see, the background page background is white and the icons color is also white, so it can't you see it's not properly visible for sure. So you need to match with the color and you need to see that if it is looking properly from the all the sections like this. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.